All right, so chat. So appreciate everyone tuning in. How about doing a live stream at night? I know it's been a while, man. Hopefully the lighting don't give us any problem tonight, but we're gonna target. We're gonna kick things off. Do a few hundred push-ups here. Later on, we got some leg workouts. So appreciate everyone tuning in. Well, yeah, we're gonna kick things off. We're gonna challenge ourselves and do a few hundred push-ups. So as I go along, I'm gonna take off my shirt. But first, let's get some heat first. Let's try to build some heat. As soon as you join, don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. All right. Yes, I want to do a few hundred of push-ups. First time watching the channel, don't forget to subscribe. All right. Let's go. Let's go. We're gonna do a few hundred push-ups. You guys can just let me set up the camera real quick. So yeah, man. You guys can just motivate and push. Really appreciate it. All right. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Let's go. We do a few hundred push-ups. Let's get it. All right. So I want you guys to comment because I love to do push-ups slow with tension. Or you guys want me to do the push-ups fast or slow? Let me know. Feel free to comment. Fast or slow. I love to do push-ups fast. In the past. Nowadays, slow is what I recommend. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go, guys. Come on, hit that like button. Everyone texting right now, smash that thumbs up. We need at least 10 likes before we start off, man. Let's get the likes up to 10 before we kick things off here. Remember, we're doing a few hundred push-ups here. You guys, man, give us that extra push that we need. Come on, let's get the likes up, guys. Come on, man. 10 likes on the screen right now, bro. 10 likes before we start. We need at least 10 likes before we kick things off. Come on. Come on, bro. Smash that like button, everyone, right now to start double tap the screen. There we go. Come on, come on, come on. At least I will start with at least six. At least six. At least 6 likes on the stream right now before I kick things off. Let's go. Let's go. You know what? It's all good. 2 more likes. 2 more likes before we start off. 2 more for 5. Let's get 5 likes at least. So we're gonna kick things off with a few hundred push-ups. You guys are not even motivating, man, but I'm still gonna do it anyway. 20. 25. Let's get it. Kick things off with 30. Let's go. Let's get it. How many push-ups I want to do? And just for the stream's sake, I'm gonna do a few hundreds today. Forward, let's go. Damn, a lot of people joining that are not into fitness, I guess, because we're not getting any support over here. Everyone watching are not even motivating. Not even a let's go. Huh? Damn, man. I don't care what time it is, bro. As long as it's time for me to do some work, I'm putting in that work. I don't care about the weather either. That's 50 so far. Imagine if I was going fast. Could have hit 100 plus a long time ago, man. Let's go, chat. Let's get it. Where you guys watching from? What was the weather where you guys watching from? Where I'm from? Jamaica. Here we go. 70. Real easy. And you guys know if you're doing 70 with tension, slow-mo, then you know that's more than 70, right? Because they're doing it with tension. So if I can do 100 push-ups or more, because we're going for more than 100 push-ups today, and if I can manage to do 100 plus with just slow motion, then you know that right there is a lot of work, right? So yeah, I recommend doing it as usual, slow mo. Let's get it. So now we're gonna place different. Gonna use a different on placement. Check this out. Put all the pressure back of the palm right here. So we're gonna focus mostly on the triceps. Get that burn. Ready? Let's go. At 85. Slow and with control. Let's get it, chat. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Whoa. For everyone watching right now, let me know where you're watching from, bro. I know timing is different, huh? Well, yeah. Let's get it. Kind of definitely building the heat. Let's keep the heat. Let's keep it. Yep. Uh, who? Hey. That's 90. Let's say 96. But I'm gonna take off that one. Let's work with 95. Let's get it, child. Let's get it. Let's get this morning. Let's go. Different placement. Similar results. Wait, wait. Similar result. Let's go. One 115. Still getting this money. Let's go. Yeah. See. Come on, guys. Hit that like button. 3 more for 10. Let's go. Smash that thumbs up if you haven't already. You're watching right now. And don't forget to subscribe. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Uh, Appreciate it. We need 2 more likes for 10. Let's get it. Yep. 130. Still going. Same flow. Feel that burn. Keep it going. Keep the temperature. Keep that temperature going, huh? Let's get it, chat. Let's get it. Turn down for what? Exactly. Not around here. Not over here, bro. Mm. Ah, 143. So, bro, then today we actually did. That's 10,966 footstep. Interesting. Respect. You are the. Mm. Appreciate everyone tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Simply double tapping your screen right now. Smash that thumbs up button. Simply support, all right? Yeah, we here working, bro. Simply support by just hitting that thumbs up button on your screen or just double tap your screen. Make sure you subscribe. Jamaica. Jamaica is the country. Jamaica. In Colombia, they say Jamaica. Let's get this bread. Come on, let's go. Hello, yo, what's good, man? Thank you all for tuning in. Please smash that thumbs up if you haven't already. Subscribe. Smash that thumbs up. We need 10 more for 2 more likes to get 10. Let's go. Let's hit 20 likes right now, chat. Come on, let's go. You have to eat protein. So what you're saying is don't look like I consume protein? Is that what you're trying to say? Let me know. Well, yeah, protein is important if you're trying to maintain and build muscle. Most definitely. Yeah, appreciate everyone tuning in. 10 more likes to get 20. Please smash that thumbs up right now. Make sure to subscribe, all right? What is the weather like where you guys watching from? What's his name of your country? Anyone here watching from Africa? Anyone here watching from America? Drop a comment. Feel free. Share. Share a comment, all right? Feel free. Mm. 160 plus push-ups so far. If you're watching us, that's 160 plus push-ups so far. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, chat. Warm up. Some people would argue and said, "Yo, that's more. That's more than 100 push-ups because you're doing push-ups with tension." But anyway, that's 160. Let's keep going. Let's go, chat. We need 7 more likes to get 20. Please help us to get to 20 likes. Simply double tap in your screen, smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe, all right? Let's get it. No pain, no gain. When they get gain without pain, that means you're out of your brain. 170. Come on, chat. We need 7 more likes right now. Please, everyone, if you haven't already, please smash that thumbs up. Let's get 20 likes on the stream right now. Let's go. 20 likes on the stream right now. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. 20 likes on the stream. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Smash that thumbs up button. Smash that thumbs up button. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. What are you waiting on, man? What are you waiting on? Okay. Come on, chat. Subscribe. Smash that thumbs up. What are you waiting on, chat? Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We need 5 more. 5 more likes to get to 20. Counting on you guys, man. I'm counting on you guys right now. I'm supposed to get 20 likes on the stream. Right now. Let's go. There you go. Hard work and dedication for real. Mm. 180 reps. Let's keep going. We're not gonna count that, all right? Still 180 push-ups. Just joining us. We need 4 more likes for 20. Please help us to get 20 likes right now. Simply smashing that thumbs up and subscribe. Come on, let's go. 4 more likes right now, chat. Let's go. 4 more likes right now. Let's get it. Let's get it. 3 more likes right now. Let's get it. 3 more. Let's go. Come on, chat. Let's go. 2 more likes for 20. Help us to get 20 likes on the stream right now. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, man. I know we don't got any haters in here, so please smash that thumbs up. What are you waiting on, man? You guys already know the dedication, man. You guys already know the mindset. You guys already know that motivation, impact. So smash that thumbs up, man. Don't be a hater. Be an innovator. Let's go. Let's go. One more like to 20. Please don't be a hater, bro. Smash that thumbs up. Subscribe. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ah. Damn. Really? I did already? We don't really need it anyway. So it's all good. Don't need that anyway, man. Mercedes was good. Doing good, doing good. Oh, so he was getting that good view right there. I guess it was. I guess it was. Yeah. All right, chat. So that's 200 plus push-ups. Now it's time. Step up the ball game. It's burn up 5 more minutes at least. Shall we? Shit. Yeah, chat. Let's go, man. Let's go. What do you guys think about that start? 200 plus solid push-ups for the start. What do you guys think about that one? Let me know. What do you guys think? You guys think I cheated? Let me know. Okay, man. Put it right over this one. Should be all right. All right, so I appreciate one of you guys tuning in. What should I do? Let me try this out first before me end the live stream. One second, guys. Put it right. This probably is too close.